December 9th, 2017. A quick run up to Bradenton, Florida to catch the daily juice train from Bradenton, Florida to Tampa. We caught something a little unusual before the juice train left that day. It was an old CSX-8 in CSX's Tropicana yard, hauling a loaded center beam down to 84 lumber about 500 yards south of this crossing. When we parked our car to wait for the juice train, we found out that rain doesn't make the day miserable for all of us. About 20 minutes later, a rumble in the morning. A rainy morning, that is. The CSX Tropicana juice train was finally departing Bradenton on its way to Tampa. Rainy day today, but two big GEs hauled this huge train of orange juice to Tampa nonetheless. Go ahead and jump over to Palmetto to see an old artifact that just won't leave. An artifact of the old seaboard days where the parish subdivision crossed the ex-ACL right here. Except for an old diamond, a stopboard, some markings in the road, and some rails lying near the tracks, evidence of this old age are slowly dying. About 5 minutes pass before the juice train crosses the river and pulls into Palmetto. If you look on the left, an old no right turn sign lights up, indicating you cannot turn here because this crossing is going off and there's a train coming. That sign has put in at least 100 years of service. Didn't wait for the end of them because I had to make sure we made it to a spot I wanted to shoot this juice train at for months. It was South Dock Street at milepost AZA 906.6. It was a sharp curve to go east. However, the rain had started to come down again. I waited for the end of the train, but I moved positions because the rain had started to come down harder again. So at that point, we called it a day and went home. We had to put my shirt in front of the heater because it was so wet. So that called it a day for us. So on the Palmetto subdivision at milepost 906.6, this is Coderbeaner, out.